Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers tips for getting the most from MatchID. Create your categories and subcategories before uploading headshots. It's faster than reorganizing later. Use clear display names. VB 2025-26 is better than volleyball because it includes the season. Upload high-quality headshots with clear front-facing photos. MatchID performs best with consistent lighting and backgrounds. Add jersey numbers to every headshot. They're used as a backup when face matching confidence is low. Keep your rosters current. Remove graduated players and add new recruits before each season. Index headshots before creating galleries. Face matching only works against indexed headshots in the roster scope. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.